Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're tired of cleaning your makeup brushes, then you need this automatic cleaner from Norate, which has totally revolutionized the way that I clean my brushes. All you have to do is plug the machine into your USB port, press a simple button, and it cleans the brushes with no problem. The machine has that little button, and once you press it, the top part has a silicone piece that rotates so that the brushes can be cleaned very easily. I found that it even works when using my sponges and holding it lightly right over it and then using the cleaner that they provide, or you can get your own makeup brush cleaner and clean your brushes. It's amazing how much dirt and grime comes off of your brushes, and it makes my face feel so much better when I have clean brushes. I also really like that they have suction cups on the bottom, so this stays in place while you're cleaning, and it's super easy to clean the silicone piece on the top. You can either just rinse it off in the sink by holding the machine sideways, or take the disc right off the top and rinse it out with nice soapy water. This brush cleaner is quiet and easy to put away after you're done. It fits into a drawer so you can wait for the next time and have your brushes cleaned anytime. Such a simple unit, but it is so important to clean your makeup brushes. I'm highly satisfied with how well of a job that this does and the simplicity of it, but it is a little machine packed with lots of cleaning power, and that's my point of view.